I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a book page garland. I love how chunky they are and how much texture they can add to a space. I'm using vintage book pages, but you can use new or old books, it doesn't matter. And this is great decor for any time of year. What you're going to need for this project is individual pages that have been ripped or cut out of a book, a large sewing needle, some thick sturdy string. I'm using about 50 to 60 inches, but you can make it as long as you want. And then you're going to need some scissors. So first of all, you want to tie a simple hoop knot at the end of your string so that your pages don't fall off. This is also what you're going to use to hang it from the wall. So I tend to make these larger, but you can make them smaller if you want to. So you want to take your first page and fold it in half, but don't crease it. You're going to want to leave a hole so that it kind of leaves more volume to the individual page than if you push it completely flat. And then you want to take your needle, poke it right through the center. It should go through in easy. And you're going to pull the page all the way down to the bottom hoop that you made. And you're basically going to keep doing this the entire time. It's, like I said, it's very simple. This is what it's going to look like once you have a couple on there. And there's your hoop that you're going to, it's going to stop the pages from falling off. That's what you're going to use to hang it on your wall or your mantle or wherever. Now I have another way that you can fold this. So you fold it in half, but then you kind of offset it a little bit. This is going to give you even more texture than you had before. I don't do this every single time, but I do it often throughout the process. So we're going to finish off the garland the same way that we started by tying a hoop at the end, and this is going to be what obviously hangs it on the other side of the garland. This is why I like to make my hoops larger. As you can see, the pages are kind of chunky, and the bigger the hoop, the easier it is to hang on the wall. Don't forget to subscribe to Vintage Peach on YouTube for more DIY videos. If you would like to see more of Vintage Peach, you can follow us on Instagram at vintage.peach or facebook.com/vintagepeach. All the links are in the description box below.